Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at an all-new 2020 Harris 250 Solstice. This boat is a complete flip around from what it was last year. There's a lot of upgrades and new features. So here in the back you can see there's a nice big lounger with this backrest that flips back and forth. Here in the back you'll also see two JL audio speakers. Got a nice black accent. So cup holders are all over this boat. I know that was a big complaint in the past years. So they added tons of cup holders. As you can see with the back flip forward, you got nice bench seat, nice loungers, you got flip down armrests with cup holders in them. You got the recessed cup holders, a lot like the Grand Mariner, the JL audio system. Again, storage under every seat. Under this compartment is a flip-up dressing room. So you could put a little porta potty in there or just a dressing room. Same type of loungers and layout, but as you can see, a more defined two-tone color. This is the French gray interior, so you got a light French gray and then a darker gray. And as you can see on the backrest, just tons of accents, diamond stitching. Again, the recessed cup holders are a huge added feature. Again, the JL audio system. These seats are extremely comfortable also. They upgraded the upholstery from 2019 to 2020. Absolutely very, very comfortable. It's a great seat. The helm is brand new for this year as well. And as you can see, it's a totally new redesign. Got a standard Lawrence, a standard JL audio radio head. So you got all your switches. On this particular boat, comes with digital throttle, a charging port for your phone, and then active trim as well, which just helps adjust the engine for you. Again, very comfortable boat, all new 2020 250 Solstice offered by Harris. Great boat, very comfortable. Stop out to Rogers, check this boat out. And again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. And like always, like this video and subscribe for more updates. Thanks.